So another way that Localist lets you choose what admins see which events is with our allowed excluded filters functionality. Now, this is a little tricky to explain, so please bear with me, but it is a really helpful tool if you have a large calendar team or event admins that should only see certain events. First, where can I find this? You can access through the admin dash, select the user menu, and then select the name of the admin that you're editing. You can scroll down in their profile to find the allowed and excluded filter options. Here's how they work. If a user is allowed to see a certain filter, they will only see events that have that filter associated with it. So for example, this admin shown here would only be allowed to use these items when submitting events and cannot add or edit events that do not contain this classification. So this admin, for example, would be allowed to see fundraiser filter, the science and technology filter, the health and wellness filter, the students filter, and the languages of the world group. If a submit event does not contain any of these these pieces of classification, this admin will not be able to see that event. The best way to think about this is in the most literal of senses. When you allow someone access to a filter, department, channel, or bulletin, that's all they're allowed to see. So again, take it in a very literal sense. Conversely, when you exclude someone from a specific filter, they will see everything except the ones that they're excluded from. So for example here, this admin would be excluded from any events using any of the items on the right. So this admin would be excluded from sporting events filter, the arts and culture filter, the faculty and staff and general public filters, and anything containing the key club group. This can be used as much or as sparingly as you'd like, but if you have a large calendar team, it might help to better organize your workflows if you wanted to reduce the amount of events shown to your admins when they get down to work.